It's a computer. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's that? What? What's that? What's up, peeps? So today we're going to play the Midnight Shift gameplay. So ngayon, tatapusin natin itong game na to. And I think nakakatakot to laro na to. Kaya tara na. Let's go. Let's do this. You picked up a new job at the local VHS store. Okay? Daw. This is your first time. Oh, wala ba? Do not sleep at work. Read the rules before you start your shift. When customers return, take VHS. I hate working at night shift. This. What the heck? What the heck? Oh yeah. Okay, let's friendship. Friendship. So, let's start. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good morning. Whoa, a gun. Oh, so this is the rules. Shelf for that genre. Be nice to the customers. They are always correct. If you're working the night shift, be careful of the nevermind. VHS video is not responsible in the case you. What? Wow! Whoa! I enjoy these movies. Okay. Reality. So we're still reality here. Here are the reality. So where can I put this stuff? Hello? This is a computer and I would like to rent this, okay? Please. Thank you. What's that? Whoa! Why are you running, boy? The customer. It's the computer. Whoa! What's that? What's that, huh? Whoa! Where's that coming from? What? What's that? Pero pala dun! Ay! Ano yun? May mumo dito. Return the VHS in the correct shelf. So, what's this? Romance. Get in your car to end the shift. Okay. Get in! Okay. Night 2. VHS 4. What? Shelves that have get a VHS for the basement are stuck. Oh no! This boy, huh? What? It's a VHS and they're stuck. Okay. Okay, sir. There's something na. Grab the dasher. It's the dasher. Nah, bro, that's scary. Where's the Tashan? Oh, dito tayo. Where's it here? Wala pa. Last for. Uy, what's that? Ano yun? Ano nakita mo? Bro, man. Ayaw ako magtatapon! Wala ka dyan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Uy, ano yun? There's a mumu in there, right? Whoa. There's a mumu in here. Oy, may customer. These movies are so boring.
Ate, what's your agenda here? Hurry up. I need to watch this movie. Thank you. Wow, ang bilis mo ka. You're good. Sana wala ulit mukha. Get a new car to end the shift. Please don't give me. Please don't give me, please. Ayan. Kala ko may mag-jumpscare sa labas eh. Kasi there's something eh. It's raining. Yeah, it is. Hello? Whoa, what's that? What the hell's that? Bro, may mumudi like gano'n siya. Or, what are we going to do na? Lughawon? Whoa, why are you hurrying, Magrana? Be careful out here. Yes, it's strange at night. If you hear it scream, run. Where we run? That old lady is real strange, huh? Hayate, love the series. Did you hear about what happened that at the time? What happened, man? Ayun, tapos na. Doon tayo sa cashier. Ay, hindi, computer pala. Meron nyo ang car na ito. What? Dito na tayo. It's getting scarier and scarier. Tara nga, nasa tayo. Bakit ang bilis? Tara na daw. Bilis, jump in. I don't know English. Bakit ka nag-English? Are you What the heck? Lo, di na ako nadudulas. Vlogging. Ayun. Where the heck? Yeah. We're good. Grab the VHS tapos grab nyo na, diretso nyo na dun. Yeah. Action. Where's the action? Bakit puro horror to? Where are the action? Ganyan. So, we're gonna go here. Saan ba to? Ito. It's this. Yan, sila na bahala dyan, right? Right. What? Do you like what? Are you crazy, boy? So Whoa.
What was that? Where the hell did it come from?
I'd like to revive them. What was that creature? Hindi ko naman nakita. Nasaan ba yun? Tago tayo dito. Kita nyo, Captain the ship. Please! Ayoko na! Garin, alis na tayo dito. Let's get out. Yan, last 5. Ala, namatay yung babae. What happened to the girl? Tago na tayo dito, Yuko na. Hurry up, we need to watch this movie. Okay. Thank you. Dito lang tayo sa iba. Ayoko na doon. Dito na lang. Mamumo eh. reality here. Itakbo na ako sa loob. Ayoko na dito. Bakit ako iwan? The most coming is the car to run or behind or hide in the basement. I'm here at the basement, please. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Shh. Hindi na ako magalaw dito. I think I'm gonna die. Oh. Please don't kill me, please. Pagkatapos ito magaganda ko, ayoko na. You will find my creature and your mystery disappeared. The police and your family search for you, but you remain missing now. The creature will seek its next prey.
So that's it sa ating video for today mga peeps. Kung nagustuhan nyo ating video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also huwag kakalimutan pinutin yung bell button para ma-notify sa mga bago nating video. Tsaka yun, bye bye.